Welcome to DMP Trading Center. I'm Barrett, and today I want to talk to you about some updates to the way that you and your customers manage logins to Dealer Admin and Virtual Keypad. With this update, you can now offer a singular email and password to customers who may have multiple Virtual Keypad logins. For example, let's say you have a customer in your local area that you have installed a home or business alarm system with. This customer also has a vacation home monitored by another DMP dealer. Previously, they would have to manage one login for their home system and another login for their vacation home. But with this update, those logins can be combined into a single email and password that can be used to manage both systems at once, even when those systems exist across more than one dealer. This feature also brings updates to the way that you manage passwords for personnel in Dealer Admin or your customers in Virtual Keypad. When adding a new personnel or app user, simply enter in their contact information and email. Now, your customer or employee will be emailed a link to set their own password. Then they can log in to Dealer Admin or Virtual Keypad. Additionally, when your employees or customers forget their password, they can navigate to Virtual Keypad or Dealer Admin and select the Forgot Password option. This will send them an email with a link to update their password. Let's take a look at what that looks like now. Here you can see the email I received when I selected the Forgot Password option. All I have to do is select the Update Password link, and you'll see a brand new form in Virtual Keypad to update their password. Simply enter in a new password, confirm that password, and it will be updated automatically. This is also true for your Dealer Admin personnel. When you give them access to Dealer Admin, or they forget their password, they'll see this form, just like the form in Virtual Keypad. Simply enter in a new password and confirm that password to be able to access your Dealer Admin account. This update also brings the new Combine Logins feature to Virtual Keypad. For customers who already have multiple Virtual Keypad logins, they can combine those themselves in Virtual Keypad and access all systems under one email and password. Let me show you how to set that up. In Virtual Keypad, log in with the email address you'd like to use going forward. Navigate to the top right and select Settings. Now select Login. At the bottom, select Configure next to Combine Logins. Here, you'll see the list of systems associated with this login. Click Add Another Login. Now, enter in the email and password of the login you'd like to combine. Then press Combine Logins. Now, you've combined both your home and your business login into a single email and password that you can use to access all systems. You can add any additional logins or click the X button to finish up. Now your customers can use a single email and password to manage all of their systems without having to log in and out of multiple accounts. With this update, managing system access and logins is easier than ever before. You can quickly and easily add new app users and personnel, and your employees or customers have full control over their password and login. For any questions or for more information on Virtual Keypad or Dealer Admin, visit dmp.com. Thank you for your time and for your business.